So where we have got in the traditional method, we have got indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenses called the overhead. We say that. So 12,000 hours is 0.667. Here 6,000 it will come to a divided by 2,000 units. Identify that. Which are the three activities to be identified? One is machine hour rate, machine related expenditure. One setup related expenditure, order related expense, three activity. We go machine hour rate, machine activity expenses divided by machine hours. Totally it will work 12 lakh divided by 18,000 hours. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, at Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management Account 5th semester BCom. The session goes in favor of activity-based costing. So this is a modern technique that we are utilizing. Previously, we have got a traditional method. Now we have got a modern method for each activities are considered. So where we have got in the traditional method, we have got indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenses called the overhead. We say that the cost of the material, we say that we are going to find out just like rent based on floor area, lighting based on the light points are there, welfare expenses, number of employee, depreciation, asset value are going to find. Now, we have find out the different activity. One is machinery activity, one is setup activity, one is order quantity activities. Then that will be activities are being. It is activity based. This is see that it is activity based costing. So we'll take the three activity or four activity according to this base. Overhead will be calculated very carefully. Will be calculated. First is machine hour, setup cost. Order cost will be taken as an activity. According to that base only, we are going to find out the overhead distribution. Now, we'll move on to this. Here, activity-based costing, ABC, is a costing method that identifies the activities of organization. It will identify the organization, which activity we are going to do. So here we are going to identify the activity again and assign the cost of each activity. So the activity may say machine hour rate, it may be setup cost, it may be ordering cost. Each activity will be taken into consideration. To all products and services according to the actual consumption is considered. Therefore, this method assigns more indirect cost into the comparative earning. So we'll divide all the activity into different heads. It may be machine hour rate, it may be setup cost, it may be order cost. According to this activity, we are going to find out the total overhead expense for different product A or product B are considered. If we go with the problem, see this problem. The following cost data for the month of our presentation to you. Unit produce 2,000 units. Here 4,000 units. Direct labor or per unit. Per hour per unit is 2 rupees. 2. Direct labor hour per unit 2. 3. Machine hour per unit. For one machine hour per unit, it takes 6 hours. How many units are there? 2,000. 2006 means 12,000 hours for product A. Come back to B. It is 4,000 into 1.5. 4,000 into 1.5 is nothing but 6,000 hours. 4,000 into 1.5 is 6,000 hours it will going to take. Then setup material mission is 15 missions here. Here 50 missions there. Orders are 18 order or 70 order. Machine activity expense is 12 lakh. The expenditure for machine activity is 12 lakh. Setup related expenses 1,20,000. Expenses related orders is 1,40,000. Calculate the overhead per unit. Observe using the activity based costing approach. So which are the three approaches are machine activity expenses, setup related expenses, expense related to cost. This is most important here. Now machine A hours 20,000 into 6. Here 40,000 into 5. Here we say that machine hour, machine activity divided by machine hours is there. If we go with the machine hours, slowly we can go machine hours. A. Here see that word, machine hour per unit. How many hours it will? 6 hours. How many units are produced? 2,000. This is 2,000 into 6. 12,000 hours. Regarding the B, you got how much? 4,000 into 1.5. This is 6,000 hours. Totally 18,000 hours. This is what we got here. If you go with the problem, what is the first one? Machine hour rate is machine activity expenses. What is machine activity expenses? Is 12 lakh. Divided by, you calculated the machine hours, 18,000. Divide 12 lakh, 12,000 divided by 18, 66.66 or 66.67 per hour. One activities are over. Second comes to setup relative expenses, rate per machine setup. Setup related expenses how much? 1,20,000. This is an expenditure you got, 1,20,000. Number of setups, see that. Setup machine 15 plus 50. 15 plus 50. This is 1,20,000 divided by 65. 1,20,000. 12030 divided by 65. 1,846.15. 1,20,000. 120 followed by 30 divided by 65. 1,846.15. So the first set up this. So machine hour rate you have count down 66.67. Come back to third activity, rate per order, order related expenses. What's your order related expenses? 1,40,000. 1,40,000 divided by number of orders are considered. Here number of 18 plus 70. 18 plus 70. 1,40,000 divided by 88. See the number of orders. 18 plus 88. 1,40,000. 14030 divided by 88. 1,590.90191. So this is the value got. So three activity you have find out. What is the first activity? Machine hour rate 12 lakh divided by 18,000 machine hours. Here now A 2006 12,000 hours, 4,000 to 1.56,000 hours, totally 18 hours you got. Then you got machine hours 1816.67. Setup related expense given is 1,20,000. Number of setup 50 plus 50 is 65. It will come 1,846.15 per hour per setup is considered. Here 1,40,000. Number of orders 18 plus 70 88. It will come 1,590.91 per order. So we calculate the three activities are concerned. Now you put into product A, product B. Machine related cost for how many units? 2,000 units. If you see that machine related cost, how much? 66.67. How many units are there now? Here now. 2006 is 12,000 units are there now. You got 12,000 hours. Here now. First one activities are considered. Machine related cost. Totally we have got 12,000 into what is machine hour per hour? 66.67 multiply 12,000 into 66.67. Here 8,000,040. So this is cost divided by 2,000 units. 400.02. This is per unit related to machine related cost regarding the product A is considered. Then come back to setup related cost. Come back to setup related cost. This is 1846.15 into first setup is how many units are there? 15. This is 15 into what's your setup related cost? This is rate of per machine setup related cost 1846.15. 1008 multiply. This is 15 into 1846.15 to 2,76,276.92. 27692 2,27,006. Repeat 1846.15 into 15 27692 is divided by 2000 units 13.846 13.85. So this goes in favor of setup related cost. Then order related cost, order 1590, number of orders is 18 into 1590.91 1590.91. So this is 18 into 1590.91 28636 divided by 2000 units 14.32. So 14.32 plus 13.85 plus 400.02. So 428.19. This is your cost per unit. Okay. So this goes in favor of product A. Okay. Then regarding the product B is considered, come back is machine hour rate. This is machine works total. How many hours it will work, we'll look after now. This is A is 6,000. 4,000 to 1.5 means 6,000. You got 6,000 into 66.67. 6,000 into 66.67. 4,000,020. So divided by 4,000 units, 100.05, 100 rupees, almost 100 rupees, 30, 100 rupees will come. Then setup orders. Here setup is setup related cost. What is setup related? Here no setup related cost 1846.15. 1846.15 into how many setups are there? 650. 1846.15 into 50. 92308. 92308 divided by 4,000 units. 230.07. 230.08. So come back to order related cost 1590.91 into number of orders 1590.91, 1590.91 into 70, 111364 we can do. 111364 divided by 4000, 27.84, 1,11,364. We check up this. 1590.91 into 70, 111,364 divided by 27.84 plus 230.08 plus 100, 357.92, 357.9293, you can say. So it's a statement of cost. This is a statement of cost. So what we find out now here is just a relation. First, no, unit produce is 2000 into 6. This is per hour, 6,000 hours, 12,000 hours, 4,000 into 1.5. This is 6,000 hours, totally 18,000 hours. If we go with the direct labor per unit, here setup machine 15, it is 50, it is 18. It is 12 lakh expenditure. We'll go with the single one. What we did know. We go machine hour rate, machine activity expenses divided by machine hours. Totally it will work 12 lakh divided by 18,000 hours. This is per hour. 66.67. Setup related cost 1,20,000 divided by 65. 1846.55. The order related expense 1,40,000 divided by 8. 1590.91. So this is per order, rate per order here now. If we go with a statement of cost, 2,000 and 4,000, so 12,000 hours at the rate of 66.67, it will come here, divided by 2,400.02 related cost. Setup related cost 1846.15, multiply this 27692, 13.85. Order related cost 1590.91 into 18, 28636 divided by 2000 units, 14.32. It will come 428.91. Come back here, 6,000 to 66, it will be 4,000. Divided by 4,000 units, 100 rupees will come. 1846.15 into 50, 92,308 divided by 4,000, 230.08. Then 1590.9170, 1,11,364 divided by 4,000, 27.84. If we add no 357.8, this is a cost sheet to prepare. So there are 3 activities we are going to prepare. So one activity, the machine related cost. Second activity, setup related cost. Third activity, order related cost. So what's called, we say ABC, activity based costing is called. We divide all the activities to 3. One is called machine related cost. Second one, setup related cost. Third one, order related. Whatever the expenditure they are going to give, divided by number of what we did know. Same, this amount of the paper they will give, unit produce, hours you take, overhead absorption. This is overhead absorption per unit. Using, so how overhead has been, which are the 3 overheads are? This machine related cost, one setup cost, one is order cost, how you are going to do it. So same way you are going to do is very simple. Machine activity expenses, setup related expense related to orders we have to do. So overhead has been distribution. So the major goal of this activity based costing is a method of that. Identify that which are the 3 activities to be identified. One is machine related expenditure. One of setup related expenditure, order related expense, 3 activity will be combined together to arrive the figure. In order to arrive the figure, we'll go with a modern methods are considered. The modern method says no here. This is the method of this. No, here how many units produced? 2000. So the word is machine hour per unit is 6. For 1 unit, it takes 1 hour. For 2000 is 12,000 hours. Here 4,000 into 1.5, it will take 6,000 hours. Totally 18,000 hours. So we know that machine related expense is 12 lakh divided by 18,000 hours, what we did. So per hour is 66.67. Come back to setup related mission 15 plus 50, 65. 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 65 is 1846.5. Next, rate per order related expenditure, they have given 1 lakh 40,000. See that number of orders. Here, if you see the number of orders are considered, here number of 18 plus 70, 88 is there, 1590.91. So if you go with the machine A, 12,000 is 16 point, this will come divided by 2,000 units. Then 1846.5 divided into 15, this came divided by 4,000, 1590.91 into 2, it will come here. So here 1590.91 into, it will come divided by here also here 1 divided by 4,000, 1 divided by, this cost comes to 428.99, 377, almost near that. This is a cost statement of cost. So you have to weigh statement of cost per units here, no, per unit. Overhead distribution. So in the activity based costing, no, we'll divide such a way that 3 activities. One is machine related activity, second one setup related activity, third one order related activities. You have to carefully find out, no, order related expense divided number of orders. You must be very machine hour rate, machine activity expense divided by machine hours, 18,000 hours. Setup related number of orders we got. Then order related expense number of orders. Here now, number of setups is 7050. Number of orders is 70 per order. Then we apply for the product A, product B, product B. So we come across 2,000 units, another 4,000 units. So 12,000 hours is 0.667. Here 6,000, it will come to a divided by 2,000 units. This is divided by 4,000 units. It will come 400.02. This 100. Second one, setup related cost. It will come 2 lakh. 27,692 divided by 2,000, 13.85. This will come 230. Regarding the order related cost, it is 1590. It is 28,636 divided to 14.32. It is 27.84. The total cost is 428.19, 350. So everything we have explained detailedly. Hope this session is over, because now we have come across mission A and mission B. So we can say that all things have been over here. I calculated the mission A, calculated the mission B. So everything has gone detailedly. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.